Who wants the James Charles palette? Did you enter the October giveaway? I hope you did, because I'm doing the announcement right now. Good luck. Hi everyone, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. Whew. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. So today is all about the James Charles palette giveaway announcement winner. I know you guys like Owen doing this, but he's busy playing Fortnite with his friends. I've got the phone app on the ready. All I have to do is press this button here and the winner's details will come up here. So good luck to everybody. Here we go. What's for tea has won the James Charles palette giveaway. Congratulations, Cheryl. I really hope you enjoy this palette. Please, within 48 hours, please, will you email me your address details? My email is in every single video. And I will get this sent out to you as soon as possible. So congratulations, well done, you totally deserve it. Next giveaway will be Lotti London, so please look out for that video. Until we speak again, take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now, take care, bye.